Super Bowl Sunday, and I decided, hey, wouldn't it be a great idea to do a slow cooker recipe? This cord isn't even long enough in this house. Come over here. Slow cooker recipes are supposed to be easy. You put a couple ingredients into this pan and voila, 8 hours later you've got barbecue pulled pork. Oh, this says 6 pounds of pork shoulder. Oh, okay, so we've got 4.5 pounds. I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in here. What do I do with all the juices? Do they all go in here?
Oh, doesn't it in the recipe? Why do you put those in? Or?
Remove the pork from the wrapper and add to the slow cooker. It says nothing else.
So discard the juices then, I'd say.
We have pork loin. We don't have pork butt. I guess this is less fatty. Take it out of the wrapper, put the whole thing into the slow cooker. I didn't even want to make this. You know who wanted to make this? Where did you go?
Who?
Everybody knows you're there.
Me too.
Here we go. Oh boy. Nice, it fits and everything. 1 cup water, 1 cup barbecue sauce. We're gonna try a paleo certified barbecue sauce called Carolina Red.
Oh no.
What do you mean, oh no? It's gonna be delicious.
It's not barbecue sauce, and so
It is, it just doesn't have any extra sugar in it. It gets its sugar from like vegetables and apple cider vinegar and apple butternut squash. Over the roast.
Can you try the sauce?
No, it's a good idea.
Just to make sure we like it.
Come here, it doesn't taste spicy at all. It's got a little kick. Just try it. We got
like the looks of it. Very vinegary. Kind of tastes like
But it'll work, right?
I suppose.
Maybe that's more than a cup. Whatever. I'll put it on for 8 hours?
Yeah.
8 hours on low. Good luck to you. All of this is gonna just start boiling and oozing and...
Ew.
What's supposed to be so great about really doing these kinds of recipes, it's just throwing this in there, putting in a bunch of barbecue sauce, turning this on low, and just letting it sit for like all day while we do other things. You can do it!
Smells good.
There's some secret amazing things happening in here, it seems. Ouch, ouch, don't touch it.
Oh, they are secret. We should take it off.
Don't, I would touch it. Kind of forgot what time the Super Bowl kickoff was.
6:30.
It's 6:30 Eastern.
Oh.
Pieces of gum on the table.
Yeah, but we're gonna eat dinner. You don't need gum right now.
Ugh.
It's time. Okay.
Oh, I want to pull it off. Da-na-na-na. I mean,
Ooh.
do you have somewhere to set this cap?
The cap.
It's very weird with the sauce.
It does look a little weird. Why is there a balloon in my head?
Oh no, it came off.
All right, so you just, I think, need a couple forks and you kind of go like this to your meat. It's really pulley. I guess it did what it's supposed to do. I can't get it out of the...
Pulls apart pretty easily.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh.
Is it bad?
I think it's overcooked. It's like so dry now.
It might be overcooked.
And it's too like tangy now. It's like not flavorful in the right ways.
We only do 8 hours.
Remember why you watch this YouTube channel. So you don't do the same things we do.
Don't use this recipe. It's a bad idea. That's why you should probably, any cooking show we do, you should probably watch the entire episode before you follow along with us.
If you're new here, I'm really sorry. Find a different cooking channel that has a better recipe for pulled pork.
But watch this to watch all the fun mistakes we make.
Hope you had a good Super Bowl.
I think I took it off already, but I think I found a little piece of
no.
moldy cheese.
Oh no.
And then when I looked at the cheese, it says like a date that's not in the future.
Have we got a nacho recipe for you?